But now that makes me think of California's climate plan, which I think Jerry Brown has said it's the most ambitious plan in North America, maybe the world. And it's a big plan.
It is, yeah. Well, we're a big economy. California, depending on whose numbers you believe, it's something like the 6th biggest economy in the world. And we've shown its power by imposing our energy efficiency standards, which have then been adopted by the rest of the country and indeed the rest of the world in many places, because companies want to serve those big markets. We have made quite impressive inroads in installing solar and wind power, and the costs of those commodities have come down dramatically over the last 7 or 8 years. We use quite a bit of hydro. In July this year, about half of the electricity was generated with natural gas, a little less than half, and the other half came from wind and solar and hydro and nuclear. So about half of our electricity came from very low greenhouse gas emission resources at that point. So you would say, well, that's progress. Yes. We have more to do, but it's definitely progress.
Yeah. Arthur, over the years, you've been very kind and you have assisted me expand my knowledge of California's climate plan. And I know you work heavily in a certain aspect of solutions to help save our planet and all the people on it. But I'm just wondering, what do you think of California's climate plan?
Well, Michael, California's climate plan is without a doubt the most important public policy of today. Absolutely. We know we have to improve things for our climate and our environment. Also, it makes me wonder if the plan, having read it myself quite fully, has enough in it to actually get enough energy and new sources of energy for this state and the rest of the world if they'll copy this plan. So I come to the point of asking, would it possibly be good that we did direct air capture of CO2, which is possible?
So let me see if I understand that. You sense there are some holes in California's climate plan and that it may not generate enough clean energy fast enough. And are you saying that we should have sort of like a fallback component to that strategy to actually pull down some of the carbon in the atmosphere?
Yes. In one word, yes. Fallback is a word that I don't know I'd use, although it's a good word for it, a good term for it. I would say that it should be a coinciding system that works with all of the different parts of the plan.
I like the way you articulated it better than I did. So Arthur, I want to thank you for, again, helping me. All right.
Michael, it's always a pleasure.
Okay, thank you.
Thanks.